Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you about Arthrazex gel for joints. Joint diseases are very common when the age starts increasing and there are millions of people who are taking painkillers to control their joint and muscle pain. But if you want to fight against inflammation and if you want to restore cartilage, then start using Arthrazex. Read the review and you will get the best details about this amazing joint health product. The link to the manufacturer's website can be found in the description. Currently there is a promotional sale 50% off. Limited quantities available. What is Arthrazex? Arthrazex is a natural and effective product to improve your joint condition. If you do not want to suffer from muscle cramps and joint pain anymore, then it is the best choice available for you. It is containing organic ingredients that can give you complete relief from joint discomfort, and it will also improve the functioning of your musculoskeletal system. It is an effective product to deal with osteochondrosis, and it will also help in eliminating difficult joint problems. You can say goodbye to the painkillers with the help of this item, and it will give you complete relaxation from most of your joint problems. It will give you better mobility and flexibility, and you will not have to suffer from any kind of pain while you are exercising. Arthrazex is the perfect product to fight against inflammation, and it will also improve the health of your joint tissues, cartilage, and bone fluid. It has herbal ingredients which can keep you distracted from the pain. It is manufactured without including any artificial ingredients which can be harmful to your health. It is also effective in removing harmful toxins and salts present in your joints and cartilage. Ingredients present in Arthrazex. This joint product comes with premium quality ingredients that are 100% organic. It is containing aloe vera gel, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it will also help in eliminating your joint pain and inflammation. It has camphor extract, which can improve your blood circulation, and you will get a warm feeling after using it. Arthrazex also contains menthol extract, which can give you an amazing feeling of relaxation. Boswellia extract is added for fighting inflammation, and it can also reduce the symptoms related to arthritis. Benefits of using Arthrazex. It is a natural product for improving your joint mobility and flexibility. It will also naturally relax your muscles and spasms. This product can also improve the regeneration of cells in the areas where you will apply it directly. It can easily minimize the recovery time after your hardcore workout sessions. It can also eliminate inflammation and swelling in your joints. It will initiate the cartilage tissue regeneration process, and all the salt and harmful toxins will be released from your joints. Arthrazex is an organic product, and you will not have to deal with any adverse effect at any point in time. It will naturally deal with osteochondrosis, and it will also remove hypertonicity of your muscles. You will not have to take painkillers for improving your joint condition, and it will also give you better metabolism. How to use Arthrazex? You should use this product at least 2 to 3 times a day. Make sure your skin is clean and dry before applying this product, and then you can apply it slowly with circular massaging so that it gets completely absorbed into your skin. Use this product until you achieve the best results and complete relief from your joint issues. A user's manual is also given, which has all the details about this product, and you can follow those guidelines. How to purchase? You can easily get Arthrazex on the main website of the manufacturer at an affordable price. It is a very popular product to deal with osteochondrosis, and you have to order it as soon as possible. You can get it on your address within 3 to 8 business days. Order it from the official website for the genuine product and prices. Choose the preferred payment mode before completing the purchase, and if you face any issue, the customer support staff is present to help you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.